Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align shapes vertically in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the drawing option and click new. Now I am insert a shape. Go to the shape, press shift on your keyboard, draw the shape. I am resize the shape. Again go to the shape menu and insert another shape. Now I am select select multiple shape. Press shift on your keyboard and select all shape and right click on your mouse, go to the align horizontally and click center, then click save and close. Then click in front of text, you can move anywhere. Now resize the shape. Now here we can see align shape vertically in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.